Namaste. Welcome to Ameya Online. Today's video we'll be showcasing Kalamkari silk sarees. These silk sarees come with a bright colored body like that, and it comes with nice Kalamkari borders on both the sides. So what you see on her is saree number 1. It's a mango yellow saree with beautiful printed borders on both the sides. It's got peacocks and small vines on the border like that, and it's got white piping borders again on both the sides. So that's the sari, and that's the pallu. It's got this beautiful big peacock in the border in the pallu, and other things like that, and it's got a red printed blouse. So this is sari number 1, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are Ameya Online, and subscribe to our channel for more updates in the future. So the sari number 2 is this blue sari with red borders. The entire sari is this blue colored sari. It's like a surf blue color, and it's got bright red colored borders on either sides. It's got peacocks and vines in the border, and it's got another piping plain border. On both the sides, off-white border. That will be the pallu with big peacocks in blue and red, and can we see the blouse? And it's got a printed red blouse like that. So this is sari number 2, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886.
Sari number 3.
So this is sari number 3. It's a black sari with printed borders on both the sides. It's got brown printed borders on either sides like that. So that's the border, and the body remains plain in dark black. So that's the sari, and that's a nice printed pallu. It's got an off-white blouse like that. So this sari number 3, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So we have sari number 4 here. Sari number 4 is this green sari. It's like a light leaf green sari, and it's got borders in red on both the sides with elephants printed on them, and it's got a off-white piping border on both the sides. So that's the sari, and we have this pallu. It's a printed pallu with big peacocks, and that will be the blouse. It's a green printed blouse. So this is sari number 4, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Sari number 5 is this bright yellow sari with green borders on both the sides. It's got printed peacocks on both the sides like that, and it's got small temple borders again on both the sides again. So that's the sari, and it's got a nice printed pallu, a big bright peacock, and that's the blouse. It's a green printed blouse. So this is sari number 5, priced at 15.99. Sorry, 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So this is a very beautiful colored sari. It's a light
Onion pink.
onion pink sari. It's a very rare color in Kalamkari as such. So it's got black borders on both the sides with floral prints going on and on the entire sari, I mean on the entire border, and it's got small other borders on both the sides.
On one side only.
Yeah. So that's the sari, and so this is the pallu. It's a beautiful big peacock, and it's got a nice printed blouse.
Black.
Black. So this is sari number 6, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So we have sari number 7. Sari number 7 is this beautiful dark sky blue sari with the red borders on both the sides. It's got white piping borders on either sides, and that's the sari. Okay, and see, that will be the pallu. It's got a big peacock and these faces of the queen, and it's got a red printed blouse. So this is sari number 7, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So sari number 8 is this orange sari with black borders on both the sides. It's got parrots and other birds in the border, like that, and it's got a few small temple border and a piping border on both the sides. So that's the sari, and we have this pallu, a big peacock and faces in the pallu, and it's got a printed black pallu. Blouse. Yeah. So this is sari number 8, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. So, on to sari number 9 is this bright magenta sari with the green borders on both the sides, like that. So that's the sari. It's got these small black temple borders on both the sides and white piping borders on both the sides again. And see, that's the pallu. It's got this beautiful big peacocks, and it's got a green printed blouse. Yeah, so that will be the blouse. This is sari number 9, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. We have sari number 10. This is beautiful blue sari with the mustard borders on both the sides. It's got beautiful printed peacocks in the borders, like that, and a white piping border on both the sides. So that's the sari, and that will be your pallu with printed peacocks, and it's got a mustard yellow printed blouse. So this is sari number 10, priced at 17.99. To order the sari online, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Sari number 11 is this bright yellow sari with black borders on both the sides, like that. The sari has got printed elephants in the borders, like that. So that's the sari, and that will be the pallu. It's got 2 big peacocks printed in the pallu, and it's got a printed blouse. Yeah,
Red.
printed red blouse. So this is sari number 11, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Sari number 12 is this gold brown sari with black borders on both the sides. It's got nice elephant motifs in the sari,
Ikat prints.
like ikat prints, correct, in the border, and it's got white piping borders on both the sides. So that's the sari, and it's a pretty pallu, got elephant motifs in the pallu like that, and it's got a floral printed black blouse. So this is sari number 12, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Moving on to the last sari of this video. It's a red sari with the blue borders on both the sides. Is another color in sari number 12, like the sari number 12. So it's a red sari with blue borders and printed elephants on both the sides, like that. And that's the pallu. And it's got a printed blue blouse. So this is sari number 13, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. To block any of the saris in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram to follow latest updates. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see our future videos. And we also have a store in Charat City Capital Mall. Please visit us when you get the time. And thank you. Happy shopping.